Ladies and gentlemen, Jason Andrews, the All-American Driver. Welcome to Florida. Welcome to my driveway where I am having a bit of an issue. You guys can see here, it's not too bad, but I'm having some trouble. Now the Archetype Racing Aero, the splitter, the diffuser, I could send it over this and it would be fine, right? I mean, we have like a rounded edge on here. It's made to be kind of thrashed on. However, I have a plan. I'm testing out a product to see if I can make a smoother entry and exit out of my driveway. So I ordered this $140 piece of rubber from Amazon. This is 4 feet length. If this works, I'm going to order another one, but I think I'll be able to tell if this is going to work or not from a company called Pyle USA, P-Y-L-E. It's like 50 pounds. Okay, so this driveway isn't the smoothest, but I think it's gonna kind of flex when the car's, because all I need to do is get one tire over this entryway. This might not be the best place. Let me scoot it down. Let's see. So if I come here, let me just think here. So if I'm coming around here like this, somewhat, I can come this way and I can turn my tire over it to exit. Why not give it a shot? I have never tried this before. This is the first attempt.
Yeah.
Try to send it this way?
Send it this way. Yeah. Okay, if you keep cut to your right.
What was that?
I'm not sure.
Am I on it? Okay, let me try to move it over a little bit.
Yeah. No. That might work. Yeah. I don't really know what you should do. It's still, oh no.
Yeah, the back tire's off the ground. Oh yeah, we're still right on the,
Yeah.
right on the ground now. So what's going on in the back here?
Let's check it out.
Oh, we still got some clearance here. Still got a little bit of clearance.
Just turns off the ground.
What's going on here? I feel like there's a way to make this work. Now again, I could just send this and it would be fine. I'm just trying to avoid that. Oh, I see. Okay, we back it up. Back it up. We try it a couple more times.
Okay, you're getting that right tire on it?
Oh, I was thinking the left tire.
This left tire? Yeah, you're way off from it. Right.
Yeah, I don't know if I see a way where this actually works. And the thing is, the car's on stock suspension. The car hasn't been lowered. To be honest, I would probably still scrape even if I didn't have the splitter on that.
Yeah.
Let's try this that way. So as long as I just back up into the sidewalk first, I might have a chance.
Yeah, I mean, you're clear.
Okay, so the front's gonna clear. Let's take a look at the back. If I follow the same line.
It seems like it. Yeah. Wow.
Success. Okay, so obviously not an ideal situation, but probably way better than like paying, I don't know, anywhere from maybe $3,000 to $5,000 to have a contractor come out here and re-level the approach angle of the driveway. It still sucks, kind of, but we didn't scrape. We didn't scrape. So I think that that's probably a victory.
Yeah. Driving in this front yard.
Now the thing is, I'm not really that concerned if I'm out driving around at a gas station or something like that. Whatever, we send it, we do battle. I just don't want to have to deal with this every time I get in and out of my own driveway, right? I know this thing's gonna get beat up, but I would rather have it get beat up on the track or in a situation that I can't control rather than at my house, right? So I think that this is gonna work as long as I take my time. I might permanently mount this. I might buy one more of these actually. I'm gonna say after all this headache, that is actually a success. And on that note, thank you guys so much for watching Jason Andrews, the All-American Driver. I will see you guys in the next episode.